If they advertise food for social media, you are in a serious problem. People they hungry for Lagos, and they rob people for their houses, collect food. Well, person go boss into your house. Give me okra soup. Like that, okra soup. Like that. One guy they rob everybody for their house, collect food. The guy come out and they cry. Because say why you they cry? He say they collect my food for thought.
Shout out to the girls that like to party.
One thing about bedwetting, peace rather. My own peace, they talk say if you dey sleep, somebody go come tell you peace here, peace here. There you go come peace for there. When you wake up, you don't peace for bed. My own nobody they come for my dream. They come tell me say my peace. Yeah. My just sleep. I don't peace. And my peace, no they like small, they plenty. Yes. Yes. At least they come in pieces. I want bad thing about this piece, when you piece finish, everywhere you come cool, you come wake up, come change your boxers, squeeze and wear, come push one of your brother or your sister put for that direction. They wake up very early. When they do house activity, they clean house. Your mother will come forget say no be you peace. They come when your mother go ask who peace, you go say that brother peace. So, but one thing about my mom be say my mom bad where my mother threaten me say if I don't stop the peace, they go tie snake for my waist. He come serious where so they for my compound. My compound people going to carry me gossip. They're going to give me nickname Prince of Peace.
Why you are the king?
Yes, no Prince of Peace.
Don't mind them, don't mind them, bro, don't mind them.
And this piece, you get one boy go threaten him brother. You know all these job children, stubborn children. You know they beat them anyhow. They will just set you up. In brother they beat and one thing cause him brother they razzle one fine girl. Now the boy go meet him brother. My turn. You know understand the small boy pass. When you know they razzle the girl, let the girl one rich. Now the boy just walk out go where in day. Brother, mama say me come out that mat where you peace.
Motherless babies home. Every girl want to birthday for motherless babies home. Do you know that currently now motherless babies home get food pass me and you will get mother? If you go motherless babies home, if you see food will line up 2022, they never eat and finish. Motherless babies home for Lagos, get the one motherless babies home for Lekki. As they finish morning devotion, they can say they want to give away. Come carry some food and some clothes they need to wear. Come go visit another motherless babies home for Akpororo. I'll give them something. You understand?
And it good now this coronavirus period, pastor they force you. Because everybody do online service now. Those days my pastor go they tell me, come with members, invite people to church. And my pastor they tell me, come alone. Wicked is moving around. Come alone. The devil is moving around to and fro looking for witches. Come alone. So nowadays if church no fool.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the